All right, you're trying to do interval notation of this function, and I'm just taking a picture of it. So the main thing that you're looking at is really the bottom of the function. You want to make sure that square root doesn't equal 0, because if it equals 0, the function will be undefined and it'll have a hole. And you also don't want that square root to go into the negative range. So you're trying to find the part where that function is going to be a positive number. So you take the bottom half and you set it equal to 0. So I'm going to say square root of 6x plus 8 is equal to 0. To get rid of that, square both sides, which is kind of normal. Square this side. Then I get 6x, because the square root goes away, plus 8 is equal to 0 still. And I put the 8 to the other side. When the 8 goes to the other side, it goes to its opposite, so I get 6x is equal to negative 8. And I divide by 6. And I get x is equal to, and if I reduce this, I can say 8's negative 8 over 6, but really that's saying 4 over 3. So negative 4 over 3. So if x is negative 4 over 3, I'm going to get a 0 here. So you can check it. You can say 6 times 4, or negative 4 over 3, plus 8. You're trying to see if that's equal to 0. So 6 times this, so you get negative 24 over 3, negative 24 over 3, plus 8. And this just becomes negative 8. So negative 8 plus negative 8 will equal 0. So if that's 0, if the bottom of the function becomes 0, it's undefined. Also, so we know our answer has to be, it can't be this number. It has to be greater than that number. And up. It can't be lower, because lower would give you imaginary numbers, because this would be a negative square root. We can go above 0. So in that case, the notation would be the domain has to be, it has to be these things, just regular parentheses, not a bracket, and it's at negative 4, 3, and it goes to infinity. It's just the number cannot be negative. So, and since infinity is not a direct term, so this is what I would get.